Hi everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and in today's episode we tackling Leetcode 141 linked list cycle. Given the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle. That means there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. For example, the last node -4's next pointer points back to node 2 in the list. To detect a cycle in a linked list, we use Floyd's cycle detection algorithm, also called Tortoise Hare method, the slow and fast pointer technique. A slow pointer moves one step at a time, and a fast pointer moves 2 steps at a time. If there is a cycle, the fast pointer will catch up to the slow pointer at some point. If there is no cycle, the fast pointer will reach the end of the list first, at when we will return false. Think of it like two runners on a circular track. The slow runner jogs steadily, while the fast runner runs laps and eventually catch up to the slow runner from behind. The logic is easy to grasp, and turning it into code is just as straightforward. First, create slow and fast pointers, both point to the same node as head pointer. While fast and the next node exit, keep doing these steps. Move slow 1 step forward. Move fast 2 steps forward. Then check if fast points to the same node as slow. Return true. If fast is none, that means it reached ends of the linked list. There's no cycle. Return false. Now visualize the logic step by step with the example on the left. Create slow and fast pointer that point to the same node as head as long as fast and the next node exits. Advance slow 1 step and advance fast 2 steps. Then check if they both point to the same node. If not, repeat the process until they meet. Then we return true. There is a cycle in the linked list. If there's no cycle, fast pointer eventually will point to none without ever meet slow pointer. There's no cycle, so we return false. Alright, it's time to smash the submit button. Moment of truth. Boom. Accepted. With Floyd cycle detection, we get super clean, efficient solution. All end of time, all one of space. Simple logic, powerful result. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Leetcode problem walkthroughs like this.